Alright, welcome everyone to what I think is my first unboxing on this channel, and as the title and this pretty little logo says, I'll be unboxing an ENGINEHAWK jacket. This is my first ENGINEHAWK jacket. I've been looking at them for a while. I just finally ordered one. This is the Cookies and Cream UV jacket. It's in double XL. Obviously I've marked off all of my information. I've got my trusty Stanley knife here, and this is all unopened, by the way. Like, as you can see, the scotch is still on there. So there we go, let's do this. I am super excited. Filming this with one hand is going to be fairly hard. I had my GoPro ready, but unfortunately all of the batteries have died. You can hear noise in the background, it's probably the dog. I've got my trusty little Shiba in the background. Alright, so let's see about this then. Oh, this is very exciting. Alright. ENGINEHAWK was born to revolutionize the motorcycle industry and completely redefine what motorcycle apparel can be. Welcome to ENGINEHAWK. Oh, this is it feels very premium. I know these are things that I've heard before from other YouTubers, and I'm sure you've heard them as well, but this does feel very, very premium. All right. Oh. This is very exciting. They know how to make their shit exciting, I suppose. Ooh. Oh, that looks fantastic. That looks like proper leather. I ordered the level 1 protection. So I suppose that's the back protector. What does that say? Back protector, yep. Alright, fantastic. Let's see. Ooh, I can feel the protection inside already. Alright, this looks fantastic. It's a very heavy jacket, but I'm used to it. My current jacket is super heavy as well. This looks very nice. Wow, you can see the leather grain, right? Does it smell like leather? It sure does. Alright, ENGINEHAWK, finally. Ooh, I've got... What the fuck this is? There's something in here. Oh, it's like a little sticker type, tag type thing. Oh wow, okay. You know, there's an entire booklet. Right. Okay, so let's open it up. Let me just get the box out of the way, open it up, be right back. Alright, so let's have a look. So we've got two front pockets. Don't know if the zipper will be big enough to catch with gloves. That seems a little small. Oh, the pockets feel nice inside. They feel meshed. Let's see. Can we see? Yes, they are meshed. So that's great. Fucking dog trying to get the jacket. Smells new. Smells like leather. He likes it. Seems sturdy enough. I like it. Press buttons here at the top. I like those. I think they are very useful when riding. Super great. Oh, it feels a bit hard. Oh, and also they have this like two-way thing. So I was not particularly a fan until I understood what it was for. And actually, you can open your jacket from the bottom up, and that way you can like let some air in. Oh, this looks very nice. Ah, Napoleon pocket. This for me is a huge game changer. Love a Napoleon pocket. Alright. They've got belt loops, which are an absolute necessity for me. They've got two, so that's great. I suppose this is where the back protector goes in. I'm guessing there's nothing in there for now. Yeah, there's nothing in there for now. So this is where it goes. We've got one pocket here. Oh, not a fan of where they're located, but one pocket here, one pocket on both sides. What is this? Made in Indonesia. Okay. Nothing in the pockets. There's something in here. Goodies maybe? Fuck knows. Alright. Sizing charts, amongst other things. Alright, fantastic. So that looks good. I do like this here chain. This is really good. I think this will be nice and sturdy, will hold really well. I'm hanging this not on a hanger, but actually on a on like a hook. I like the fact that they've got these little openings here. I think that's super great. Oh, and they've got this like meshy, not meshy, it's like fabric type thing here to prevent the wind from coming in as an extra sort of security. So this is on the Cookies and Cream UV. This band here is reflective. All of this is reflective. These are reflective. They're on both sides, and also the logo at the back right here is reflective too. So looking forward to trying that on. I ordered a double XL based on what I usually wear. All of my jackets are double XL. I am, for information, I'm 6 foot, 230 odd pounds, I think that is in retarded units. In normal units, I am 183 centimeters, and I am 107 kilos. So whatever that is in pounds you convert, I don't give a shit, this is not my problem. But basically this jacket looks fantastic, I'm really happy. So I'm just going to pause this, try it on, and show you what that looks like on me.
Please subscribe.